How to repost a video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to repost TikTok videos on your app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, choose a video and click on the share icon. Now all you need to do is you have repost on the yellow color. Click on it and wait for a second to share your reposts. Now you have reposted this video. I don't know why I did repost this video, but easy and quick. Just click on the share icon and you're gonna find repost and click on it, and this is how you repost a video on TikTok app. So easy and quick. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.